The war for talent refers to an increasingly competitive landscape for recruiting and retaining talented employees. In the book, Michaels described not a set of superior human resources processes, but a mindset that emphasizes the importance of talent to the success of organizations. The war for talent is intensified by demographic shifts, primarily in the United States and Europe. This is characterized by increasing demand along with decreasing supply. There are simply fewer post-baby boom workers to replace the baby boom retirement in the US and Europe. While talent is vague or ill-defined, the underlying assumption is that for knowledge-intensive industries, the knowledge worker is the key competitive resource. Knowledge-based theories of organizations consistently place knowledge workers as a primary competitive resource. Talent is never explicitly defined in the book, though the preface notes a certain part of talent elude description. You simply know it and when you see it. After several further caveats, the authors go on. We can say, however, that managerial talent is some combination of a sharp strategic mind, leadership ability, emotional maturity, communication skills, the ability to attract and inspire other talented people, entrepreneurial instincts, functional skills, and the ability to deliver results. The authors offer no outside support for this assertion.